Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Hanukkah theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Then you need to click on Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application. Then you simply need to click on Messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation. Then you need to click on the person name. From here you need to select theme and here you can see Hanukkah. Click here, wait for few seconds, and now let me show you. Here you can see that Hanukkah theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.